Let's face it, we're already at the top of our game. We have the highest quality RC boats on the market. Now we're going to accelerate to new heights. We're going to much further distance ourselves from our competitors. Our quality is just going to be so much better, and there'll be literally no comparison. There already isn't. Our new facility is providing and producing advanced composites. This is due in part to our newly acquired commercial contracts. Yes, we make more than RC boats, and videos on that are coming soon. We make advanced level composites for military and other applications. And this is all because we have the highest quality hulls out there, and we've been discovered. That strengthens our factory, and it's going to make it for better RC boats for you. Stay tuned. When it comes to purchasing an RC boat this season or any season, go with the company that is hands-on, that is transparent, that can actually show you how your parts are made and your boats are made, and they're made nowhere else but our exclusive factory. Go with the company that actually gets out and runs RC boats. I'm telling you guys, these other guys don't even run RC boats. A main one hasn't run one in over a decade, has not run an RC boat in for a decade, and sits in the jewelry store. If you like this, subscribe to our channel.
And remember who's got the fastest boats on the scene. It's none other than the world-renowned company Oxidean Marine. Unlike others in the market, the owner of the company, Bill Oxidean, actually runs, develops, and tests these boats.
Stay tuned into Oxidean Marine for the latest and greatest RC boat innovations.
Our electronics are manufactured to the strictest standards. Each component is thoroughly tested for functionality, resistance, and reliability before ever leaving our building. This assures outstanding performance and reliability. Through our standards, we produce superior products to those currently offered.
What you are witnessing right now is the resin infusion of a carbon fiber hull. This hull happens to be our Magnum 44 Twin Cat.
Why